Good afternoon, Team Gladiators. I guess today is your 30th skip meeting. Your theme is change is inevitable, growth is optional, count the savings. So maganda itong team ninyo ngayon kasi ito yung bagay na bagay sa napag-usapan natin na 2 Saturdays ago when we had our site heads monthly meeting in Alabang, which ang sabi natin talagang hirap na mahabol yung ating top line, which is the growth side, and the thing is to focus on the collection, the AR. We will need to build and build. We need to recoup or recover our claims before December. And of course, we need to catch up with our hot stove policy or the disciplining structure. So, towards the end of the year, we need to have 3 top priorities to collect before end of December, to build for December, the end of December this year, and to catch up all the disciplining sa mga tao natin. So that's a good theme for today. And again, change is really something na hinaharap natin araw-araw. And wala tayong magawa but to really swim with that, dive tayo doon at talagang kaya gawin natin ang dapat natin gawin. With regards to the team performance, I've seen in the KPIs that almost all are greens, lahat ng KPI is green, except there are few lines there. One is in Tigers. I've seen more misses, and I've seen the initiative and the implementation. To the Team Tigers, I need you to catch up. Kailangan natin to dahil again, ito yung puso o sentro, initiative ng ating Fast Impact team. For the visionaries, I guess common here is the wrong encoding reports. Tingnan nyo ano yung mga dapat natin gawin pa. Anong initiative to prevent wrong encoding. For the wolves, again, may nasilip din tayo na wrong encoding. And I've seen your presentation, and i-challenge ko lang July ang na-update nyo. Check it out. Kung tama ba yun, July ba yung data na yun, or as of August ba talaga yun. But again, wrong encoding is the highlight there. So yung mga team leaders and mga bisot na nakatutok sa mga teams na hinahanap ko or mga pangalan na to, please focus on that. Again, I'd like to congratulate everyone na bumubuo ng skip meeting na to. Congratulations, Mon. Congratulations, Jess. I'll not be around, but that's why I use technology to send my message. Again, the last words of your theme is count your savings. Yeah, we need to really count our savings in order to hit our bottom line or profitability. But in general, Team Mondelez is now profitable with the leadership of Mon and the leadership of the team ng mga supervisors. But dugtungan ko lang, count your savings, count your blessings. Once again, good afternoon everyone, congratulations. Thank you.